All right, guys and girls, in this short video, I'm going to show you a bandha. So we're learning bandhas now. Bandha basically means energetic lock. And what they mean by lock, as I mentioned in another video, is you're sort of locking the breath energy into a certain space in the body to increase the energy you create. This one is called Jalandhara bandha. I'm not going to use the Sanskrit words because they're harder to remember. So Jalandhara refers to the neck area. So I'll refer to this as the neck bandha or the neck lock. It's very simple. All you do is, while you're retaining the breath, you bring your chin to your chest and you just focus your awareness, especially on the back of the neck. So if you can imagine the energy being contained, the breath energy, and the neck, the back of the neck being sort of a barrier of the energy going up to the head. So imagine something blocking it in here. I'm sitting in this posture. You don't have to sit this way at all. You can just sit normal cross-legged posture. But for bandhas, I like to sit this way. So we're gonna just do a simple breathing. We're gonna just inhale deeply, hold, and then practice this, all right? So let's begin. Inhale deeply. Belly, chest, all the way to the neck as deep as possible. And then hold, chin to the chest. Focus on the pressure at the back of the neck. And release, exhale. Inhale deeply, belly, chest, neck, chin to chest, and hold. Exhale, release. Again, inhale deeply, belly, chest, neck bandha, and hold. Exhale, release. Let's do it one more time. Belly, chest, neck, chin to chest, and hold. Exhale, release. Now hold the breath out. Chin to chest. Hold the breath out. Inhale, belly, chest, neck. Do the neck bandha and hold. Exhale, release. Exhale all the way out. And with the breath all the way out, do the bandha again. And hold. One more time. Inhale, belly, chest, neck bandha, hold. Exhale all the breath out, pushing the breath out, neck bandha. Good, relax, release. Should have the idea now. What you're doing is increasing the energy flow, because while you're blocking it, you're making that energy build up, and then when you release it, it flows more powerfully. So this is one of the most easy ways to add power or energy to any of the breath holds that you do in the practice. So go ahead and play with that, and feel free to use that with any other of the breathing techniques. Typically we do it on the inhaled breath, but as you can see, you can use it on the exhaled retention as well. So that's all for the neck bandha. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you here for the next one.